am Chef Bugzy, and today we are going to be cooking.
I'm Shy Diego.
I'm Banana Breath.
And today we are going to be cooking the best chicken. That's what we're going to be cooking.
Yeah.
And so here are our ingredients. See, all of these, we're using a lot of ingredients today, especially a lot of liquids.
Yeah.
And 3 cereals.
But remember, chicken needs to be
2 cereals.
seasoned.
Yeah, so that's why we are using
And
this.
little soy sauce.
And
We recently found out that it was light soy sauce.
Yeah.
Yes.
So okay. Yeah. Okay, so just put some on here. Okay. We're gonna Okay.
No, I'm just gonna open this.
Okay. We're gonna use Cocoa Puffs and all this stuff. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, yeah. Wait. Yeah. Okay, there.
Here's this. No, we need to put our...
Ooh. Oh.
Soy
Okay,
sauce
that's a
on the
lot of soy
plate.
sauce.
Then we put our cocktail seafood sauce.
And we just recently got these.
Spread it around. A little in the light soy
Ew!
sauce.
Gross.
And then
We recently got
Brianna's
peppercorn medley
special request.
and lemon pepper and paprika.
We should probably put all that, like,
Ooh, it's yellow.
Ew!
right after I put the chicken on it. Okay, so these are our little meat cubes.
Meat cubes, yeah.
For chicken. Yeah.
Chicken.
Okay, that's enough meat cubes. It's enough meat cubes.
And then,
Okay.
And then we're gonna be using Bear's Head delicious style mustard.
I'll stir the meat cubes, kind of like...
Delicious style mustard.
Hey.
It smells weird. It smells like hash browns, but
Yeah.
horrible.
Yeah, for real.
Okay, we're gonna be using
Because
this
hash browns are awesome. But,
lemon juice. We're using a lot of lemon stuff. See,
which is good by 2008.
so
Yeah.
And this is 2012.
So, in case you didn't know that,
Let's add some more meat, just so you know we are Americans. Go by the American stuff.
okay. And
And
see, we're using this to
A little bit
make
of
the chicken tenderized meat. It's good.
Okay, now I'm gonna put some of the
Now we're going
popcorn
to put
melody
some
grinder, private selection.
popcorn melody grinder.
and maybe some more soy sauce, just for a little.
Good
Measures.
measures.
And possibly some paprika.
Some paprika. We are putting
To
Some
season the chicken.
lemon pepper. Some lemon pepper.
Lemon. To season the chicken.
And next, we are going to be using some Miracle Whip. That was good by a while ago.
Okay, now I'm going to use...
This Miracle
Pepper.
Whip is pepper. Some pepper's going in there. Achoo!
And some of this Organicville non-dairy ranch.
Chicken's always good with ranch.
It's a lot of ranch. That smells bad.
Here, how about I put
This Miracle Whip is not coming out.
More of this.
more of this?
To make it, like, a little bit look like...
Oh, good. Some Miracle Whip's coming out now.
And maybe it's like
So anyway, doesn't that look exactly like chicken? It's, like, perfect.
clump it up.
I know.
It's, like, exactly like chicken.
We're the
Made
best.
chicken.
We are the best cooks I've ever seen.
I know, for real.
Really.
Maybe like
Okay. Maybe we should put a little bit more of Brianna's special request lemon tarragon dressing.
And okay, this is
A
really
little bit of
gross.
Okay, and now
But
we were going
That's
to put
just
it.
what chicken looks like, you know.
Now we're gonna put
Chicken's
it.
really good.
Let's kind of like, yeah, Tiffany. I mean,
Yeah.
We're gonna put it in our other friend, the oven. We have 3 friends: the freezer, the oven, and our BFF, the microwave.
BFF.
See? We just stick it in there. Perfect.
Perfect. Now we just cook it.
And
Yeah, just wait a few seconds. Doop doop. Yeah. Boop boop.
Bouncing on my butt.
Banana breath. Boop boo doo doo.
I think it's ready. Here we go.
Dun dun dun.
Let's get it out. Whoa!
Chicken.
I think it's a leg.
Oh, it's perfect. It molded
Yum.
up into our crisp.
Yummy cold chicken.
See the soy sauce?
Yeah, you can totally see the soy sauce. Oh,
And the paprika.
Yeah,
and
the
you can
paprika.
see
the Brianna's lemon.
Oh,
the
yeah.
lemon.
You really
I wonder what it
can.
tastes like.
Yum, yeah, it
It's
tastes
delicious.
Yum. This is so good.
Yeah.
Can you believe that this tendered meat turned into that? It's perfect.
Wow.
All clumped
And
up.
this is how to make chicken from the Bugzy show.
Yep.
See you later.
Have
Have a Bugzy day!